that we shall be alive to celebrate the golden jubilee of Otumfuo II.
Medical actually woman who say, and then Yura Santa Hino Otumfuo say to Abby, Jumedia Wodiano, what was that their framus you was sentimental and Pantifo womb, Dagomba Fo, Mamprusi, Nanumba, Tesala Tete, Emusia Quodu Noa, Ababe Piemo Hanyas and Kuma. Na Yehuno Abusia na HM, yes, Sabusia Piao, one more every Nigeria memu, and a one more Baby Diamo, a woman Ghana. Atenaya na wo mo eya santemantem ne senti wo mo so ebo akonya anase wo mo panyini bia obetumi adi o manim na dwumadie no se de esi go no nyinada wo mo so atumi de o manim nyam aba abetache enti Igbo community of Ashanti region wo mo ewa ha Nigeria fo ankasa wo mo babetena santemam fritetetrene na ene yewure to nsa from no wo mo so de o manim nyam ebetai ekere wo mo panim pa Martin Okafo wono aba ene Nigeria din de chuku mmeka ne de keka ho nyada wo mo so aba bepem wo dwumadie na se a wo mo de anumonyam eba betai dwumadie no echi no mama yewura chirenkwa. Okay, from my mama from Nyansapo TV. Nyansapo TV is this is 25th years of Otumfuo Appiah on the Golden Stool since 1999, and today happens to be a different diversity of culture displayed here. And now I had Otumfuo what be 25 years I know what the amma yenyanuma wonu free and my also from different background cultures and there will be a display no I will mention now Ocha Mechiano now Yeniano Igbo community of Nigeria Ashanti region on Moto Onto na Oganiru Odona Ogariru and then peace and progress and I know not try to make me a Igbo Nikakra na Yako. It may not opinion back from the Igbo community. We want to have some little discussion or interview with him to find out why they are here and their mission here today. And you know, na yanko share and komonase. No means hello, isn't it?
Yes, no, you are welcome.
Okay, what about greetings? Is that not Ikalo?
Ikalo is for Yorubas.
Yorubas, okay. Yes. So how do you greet in the afternoon?
Dalu.
And you know, it will be very, very interesting with my Igbo brother here. Please, your name.
My name is Honorable Martins Chukwudi.
So as you can see, I'm with Honorable Martins Chukwudi Okafo. Many Honorable Martins Chukwudi Okafo and I interview no area. So Honorable, I would prefer call you Chukwudi. Is it all right for me to call you? Okay.
That's God Day.
Okay, God Day. Yes. Chukwudi means God Day. Okay. So Chukwudi, if I may ask, why are you here today?
We are here on the invitation of the Manhyia Palace. Today marks the 25th anniversary of Otumfuo II. Some of us were here when he was instituted as Otumfuo. Yes, after the death of Opokuware. Yes.
So you purposely here because of Otumfuo Silver Jubilee. Okay. Obi Bisa said, how will you respond? A year. How many years have you been
here for years?
And you can't
just about 20. I cannot speak frequently because I'm not good at maybe understanding yes, foreign languages.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So if I may ask, how do you see the Ashanti Kingdom?
Oh, Ashanti Kingdom has been one of the oldest kingdoms in the history of that is the world history. When I was in the university, I learned about Ashanti Huni, the Ashanti Kingdom.
Okay.
You see? So I knew little about Ashanti Kingdom before I came to this Kumasi here.
So way back in the university at Nigeria, you learned about Ashanti Kingdom, preferably Ashanti Kingdom.
Yes.
Okay, what did you learn about Ashanti
I learned
Kingdom?
Ashanti Hine is one of the greatest king of the world. I know most of them fought British people and gained freedom for the Ashantis, or even for Ghana in general. Yes, we learned about them. We learned about the women, how they were so industrious, very, very industrious. About your women in the history of them, they were very, very industrious. You see,
so those who try to belittle the kingdom of Ashanti, what will you say to them?
How can you belittle the sea? The kingdom is just like the big sea, the Red Sea. Can you belittle the Red Sea?
No.
No.
So that's how
Ashanti Kingdom remains one of the greatest in the world as at this moment.
Okay.
Very, very great. The Ashanti is recognized one of the biggest kings in the history of the world.
Okay. So you see Ashanti Kingdom as a sea.
As a sea.
Okay.
As a sea.
Okay. So comparing Igbo kingdom to Ashanti Kingdom, how do you contrast, compare the two kingdoms?
All right. You see, they are, let me say, socio-traditional and political system is quite different. In the Igbo kingdom, we are equalitative. You see, everybody is just a chief in his own clan. You understand me? We recognize the leader, the head of the family. Then we built our rulership on the title holders. On the title holders. But now some of the Igbo kingdoms now have bigger chiefs. Bigger rulers. Like Appiah of Onisha. Of Alokabwe, Appiah of Onisha. You see? Then Igbo of Nnewi. These are bigger traditional rulers. You see, and they are very, very respected.
Do you have paramount chiefs like Ashanti have?
Yes, we have. We have. Only that the society is just, how do I say it? Is very, very democratic in nature. Just as we have the bigger chiefs, then we have the sub-chiefs under the bigger chiefs.
You told me you have been here for so many years. So let's come to Kumasi, Ashanti region to be precise. How many years have you been here? If you say now,
I've been here since 1999.
Since 1999. So I can say you were here when the chief was still as
Ashanti. I was here when Otumfuo died. The chief Ashanti just replaced.
You were here.
I was here. When Otumfuo died. I was here when Osei was instituted.
I want your culture troupe to come here and let us display some of your culture dance. I know how to dance. So please come.
forward to have them here celebrate Akwasi Day with us in a historic way as part of activities marking the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Otumfuo II.
Now, Otumfuo II. We are very, very grateful to be invited to the Manhyia Palace. And we hope that this ceremony will open up a positive interaction between the Igbos in Kumasi and the Manhyia Palace. So we look forward to an occasion of this nature, and we pray that we shall be alive to celebrate the golden jubilee of Otumfuo II. To show our appreciation, we just have yes, it contains the sum of 30,000 Ghana cedis. Thank you very much. Nana. Yeah, towards the silver jubilee. We come with our masquerade and our women and our leaders, opinion leaders. So we hope that we shall be regular visitors to the palace henceforth. Thank you, Nana. Unana no Igbo for say you manage send ma with you to suffer from no baby. When you send them sham so at the income boom and income with you papa to Igbo for any sabia santentem. A bibi free be on baba some. No money say and I'm so rate baba some you. Omukro won some can is million hasa omo de boa sabi ujuma wudi. Unana no Igbo for you almost say level. For the masses, Papa.
And you know, Igbo of Nigeria, member by 1,000 Ghana cedis, the 300 Ghana million, or the Canadian more. As I said in Nigeria, you're about for a theory. You're about for Asante some call Nigeria Penibi Muama. No, Mama, from community, bra. Any from Madame, a chamis a chromoso. From a chromoso. From community. From Madame a chromoso.
Ebube, the brebe is Ebube. Ebeye de den.
Kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu a wase wadore sra. Tanyini wantena fie. Ema aseduamfo.
Blani pie frimantam be hin se pin. Enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa.
Ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo ni hu.
Duanani wie klaman. Wo yesofo kra wonye yie bi.
Tonte ye no nsa na ye fa.
Nyansapo.
Abone ntakra na mane yakese na ntakra abone de fanyinam kwatere kwa.
Oda woro ma ntoma ye fe. Ni din de sei.
Ni din de Obama.
Akola wa no so. Pese utrimu usuma. Ense bratam.
The family honhon hia na America sa.
Sebe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai. Ebu afaso enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame.
Sebedi akone bakwen bodi atwede. Na se kofi nro ni ya aben ntima nyina ni mu ampata. Na